So we have this particular question under matrices. The question reads, given that matrix A, which is 2x minus 1, 1, minus 4, minus 4, has no inverse. So what do you do if a matrix has got no inverse? What does it mean? Well, in simple terms, if a matrix does not have an inverse, it simply means that the determinant of that matrix equals to 0. In other words, such a matrix is called a singular matrix, in the sense that its determinant equals to 0. So if a matrix does not have an inverse, it simply means that its determinant equals to 0. Now here the question asks, find the value of x. Solutions. Like I mentioned, since matrix A does not have an inverse, it simply means that its determinant equals to 0. So we can say, since the determinant of matrix A equals to 0, we have the determinant of matrix A, by definition it should be the product of the element in the major diagonal. We're going to multiply these. We're also going to subtract the product of the element in the minor. So we're going to multiply -4 times this, after which we subtract the product of -4 and 1. So we're going to say, in the major diagonal we have got -4, open the bracket, we've got 2x minus 1. From the definition of the determinant, we see that we subtract the element in the minor diagonal is -4 times 1. So we're going to have -4, we're going to have -4 times 1, put inside the brackets here. Then we're going to simplify this. -4 times each element inside, of -8x plus 4 minus -4. Simplify further, we have -8x plus 4, minus is plus. Simplify further, we have -8x plus 4 plus 4, that's 8. So we have -8x plus 8. Now, since we know here to say, if a matrix does not have an inverse, its determinant equals to 0. So it's logical then to conclude that this determinant that is equals to 0 must be equal to this determinant, whose expression is -8x plus 8. Therefore, the value of x will be -8x plus 8. This will be equivalent to 0. Then we solve for x, and here we're going to have -8x equals to -8. We divide by -8 by -8, we cancel that. We have x equals to 8 into 8 is 1. Therefore, the value of x equals to 1. Take note, if a matrix does not have an inverse, it simply means its determinant equals to 0. So when you multiply the elements in the major diagonal, you subtract the elements, the product of the elements in the minor diagonal. Then that difference is what we actually got here. The difference we got as -8x plus 8. But we know that this particular matrix A does not have an inverse, so it simply means -8x plus 8 is equivalent to 0. Then we solve for x, and therefore the value of x is 1. Thank you for watching.